guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. I am Letitia and this is That's So Letitia. And yeah, it's Sunday. I typically do my Sunday self-care skincare. So that's what you guys are going to do with me today. Follow me, watch me, learn from, whatever. Anywho, typically if I do like a live or film like a Sunday self-care skincare, it's usually just my face. But today you guys lucked out because I'm actually going to do my hair as well as my face. So get ready, stay tuned, and let's get into it. So typically I guess I kind of go backwards a little bit because I do my hair first and then I do my face. Not many parts to doing my hair. I guess that's why I like to do it first and then kind of get into my skincare and my mask and all of that jazz later on. So because my hair is filthy, I was wearing like a wash and go for a few days. We are going to wash my hair. And the brand of product that I'm going to use for that, it varies sometimes, but I just discovered that this particular brand has a somewhat of a line for like curly hair. The brand I'm talking about is Aphogee. And they have, apparently it's been out for a while, but I am just now getting on the bandwagon. I went into my local beauty supply store to get something else and I came across this brand and I'm like, oh, okay. I know how well they worked for me in the past. Let's see, you know, if that still holds true with the new products. And indeed it does. Their new line is called Curlific and it's for textured hair. This one is their textured hair wash. And I use this, I want to say maybe about twice a week, and then like I'll use it on Sunday and then I'll use it again on Friday, and in between like maybe Tuesday or Wednesday I'll do a co-wash with either a conditioner or a product that specifically states that it's a co-wash. So right now I'm just kind of getting my water ready and I'm gonna wash. Next product I am going to use for my hair is by Mielle Organics. This one is their Mongongo oil hydrating conditioner. It's a protein-free conditioner. I like to apply this one, leave it in for about maybe 5 minutes or so, and just kind of use a detangling brush to just kind of brush through it. And this is what it looks like, guys. I use it often being at least once a week. It smells good. It has really good slip. And I'm not sure if a lot of the naturals out there now use the word slip. It just basically means it allows you to move the product through your hair with the least amount of resistance, especially if you use like a detangling brush, if you use a comb, it definitely has a good slip to it. And I like this this conditioner, although it is protein free. It does help to minimize the shedding that I experience. I thought by going natural that would have eliminated the problem for me, because my hair does shed a ton. It hasn't, but I am finding certain products that actually helps to not particularly eradicate the shedding, but it makes it less and less. And see, look, and mind you, this is like 3C for a hair. And it's just moving through with absolutely no problem. And this is my detangling brush I was talking about. And see, not even that much shedding. I attribute that to a lot of the hair care products that I've been using, some of which I'm going to show you guys today. Okay, now I'm just going to wash this out. Okay, so what we are going to do now is apply the products that I use to style my hair. And I'm going to start with oil. Oil in my regimen is very, very crucial. The oils that I use, they tend to have a lot of good things in them. It's not just like an oil for shine, but more or less oil for growth, for strengthening the hair follicles, as well as stimulating the scalp. So I use 3 different products that are not oil based, but completely just oils. First product is Mielle, and this is Mielle Organic. It's their mint almond oil. I have been using this product faithfully, I want to say, since about 2015. And looking at the length of my hair, you would be like, yeah, right, you don't even have much hair. Yeah, but when I did, this product helped my hair to blossom. I mean, very quick, very healthy, very full hair I had. And it's because of products and regimens like the one that I have that makes me so confident as to why I keep cutting my hair off and then restart, because I know what go-to products would actually help my hair to grow. So again, the first one is Mielle mint almond oil. This one has peppermint oil, sweet almond oil, and the carriers like soybean oil. And then I use as well Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil, and this one has peppermint in it. So if you guys can tell, I kind of have a theme of stimulating the scalp. This one works famously as well. I used to use the one that a lot of people use for like dietary reasons. I was soon to find out that it's strictly for dietary reasons that people use the original, because no matter where on my body I put it, stuff happened. So yeah, I use that one. And lastly, I use hairgrowfast.com's wild growth oil. This one I found out about when I first went natural, and all the like natural hair videos and blogs and things, they were ranting and raving about how well it worked. And yeah, it's a great product. A little goes a long way, because it can build up like a white residue on your scalp and in your hair. Definitely not attractive, especially when you have to apply other products on top of it. So what I just did was I mixed the Mielle Organic and the wild growth oil in my hand, just kind of rubbing it around, and then I'm just going to put it in my hair. Just try and coat as much hair as I possibly can. And because the last one, the castor oil, is more of a heavier oil, I tend to do that one after I've used the 2 lighter oils. So that's what I'm going to use now. It's Jamaican black castor oil. If you, like me, use oils, just make sure you have like a dedicated pillowcase, because your pillowcase is going to be heavily anointed in oil as your hair is. And that is it for our oils. We're just going to kind of brush through. And now we're going to apply our styling product. Depending on how I feel, I might do like the whole leave-in conditioner and moisturizer and just kind of put a headscarf on and I'm good for the day. But I wanted to share with you guys a product that I just found out about. I feel like I'm super late to the party, but nevertheless, I have been ranting and raving about this product ever since I stumbled upon it. And it is by Taraji P. Henson. It is her line of natural hair care products, and this one is called Tough Cookie. It's a style defining gel, and when I tell you, when I put this in my hair, you guys are about to see what I'm talking about. Like the curls, they clump together in the way that they're supposed to, and my hair looks absolutely amazing. So what I'm gonna do to kind of prep my edges is go old school and use a little bit of black Pro Style gel. And that's just to get the edges together. My brush. Little on the back. Okay, and this is something I learned quite a while ago. Y'all don't laugh at me, it works for me. I cannot use those kind of like elastic rubbery band, rubber band type hair bands or whatever. They give me excruciating headaches. Honestly, they do. So someone suggested several years ago to try using a shoestring. Yes, a shoestring. This way you can control the tightness of the, of the puff or the style or whatever, without enduring any sort of hair loss along the edges, breakage, as well as headaches. So that's what I'm going to use. This is my dedicated shoestring for my hair. It was clean and new when I started using it. So no, I did not take this out of my shoes. And there's our puff. Boom, right? And just do this. Tie it off. The ends, I just pretty much do that. And there's our puff. So, first point I would like to make, if y'all saw the shrinkage I had a few minutes ago, don't let nobody discourage you from still getting your puff on as I just did. Use the right products and you can elongate your hair so that you can get a puff as well. So I'm gonna lay down my edges using a edge brush. I got this guy from like a local Sally's beauty supply store. Now we're not gonna lay them down too fine, just because in a second when we do our skincare, we don't want to ruin our hair. So just enough to where they're kind of nice and neat. Okay, and for this here, for the puff, we are going to use the Tough Cookie Style Defining Gel by TPH, Taraji P. Henson. And I got this from Target. It was like $9.99, a little bit close to $11 with tax. Okay, so this is it. It smells real sophisticated, and I mean that in like a good way. Like you can put this in your hair and walk through Macy's like, yes, I'm here to purchase. Yeah, this is like hair perfume. It smells so good. Okay, the consistency. This is the consistency, so it's rather thin, but that's a good thing because you don't need that much. If you use too much, you run the risk of white flakes and of it drying your hair out. So what I'm gonna do, just using 2 fingers, oh goodness, get the hair. Okay, I'm gonna just use 2 fingers, dip it in, do that. Rub it together and just kind of do this. And look at those curls starting to just pop. See? Okay, and that's pretty much it for our hair. Okay, and last thing I did just to kind of secure the edges and lay down the little mature hairs, because there's nothing baby about my hair, is to just apply a satined material scarf and just let that be that. So whenever you're ready to leave, just take it off, or if you want to leave it on, you can. I just suggest doing what I just did and kind of tucking the sides there, and you're done. So guys, I was going to do my skincare on this same video. I have since decided to give you guys a break, just in case there's some of you that just would like to see my hair routine and not skincare. So I am going to do skincare. That's going to be part 2. It's immediately following this one. So if you would like to see what I use for my daily skincare regimen, for the most part, then stick around. For those of you that watched for the hair portion, I thank you so much for watching. And if you have not yet already subscribed, you definitely have all the more reason now to do so, because I smiled at you. And yeah, guys, I will put a description or a list of all products used in the description box below. And as I said a few seconds ago, if you are interested in my skincare regimen, stick around. That one is to follow immediately after this one. Have a great, restful, healthy, and safe Sunday, guys. Be well, take care, wash them makeup brushes, and until next time,